Hello all, welcome to Applied Chemistry, Electrochemistry lecture series. In this electrochemistry, we discuss here the galvanic cell. So, types of cells. A cell is a device consisting two half cells. Each half cell consists of an electrode dipped in electrolytic solution. The two half cells are connected through a wire in which the entire construction represents a cell. The following are the two types of cells: electrolytic cell or electrochemical cell, also called as galvanic cell and voltaic cell. And electrolytic cells are cells in which electrical energy is used to bring about chemical reaction, where an example is an electrolysis and electroplating. We do a comparison between an electrolytic cell and a galvanic cell. The galvanic cell in which chemical energy is converted to electrical energy, an electrolytic cell in which electrical energy is converted to a chemical energy. In galvanic cell, anode is negative, cathode is positive, where in which electrolytic cell, anode is positive, cathode is negative. In galvanic cell, it is undergoing a spontaneous reaction. In electrolytic cell, it is a non-spontaneous reaction. The galvanic cell does not require external source. It produces this electrical energy, but an electrolytic cell required an external source. So let's check how can we answer this. A galvanic cell converts electrical energy into chemical energy. Is it true or false? The galvanic cell chemical energy is converted to electrical energy. But if electrical energy is converted to chemical energy, it's false. Number two, an electrode on which an oxidation occurs is called anode. Yes, it is true. Now, galvanic cell. Electrochemical cells are entirely different from electrolytic cells. These cells use for electrolysis, whereas electrochemical cell, chemical energy is converted to electrical energy. In galvanic cells, we have two types of reaction combined together. We call it as redox reaction. Cell construction. The Daniel cell, or we call it as galvanic cell, consists of zinc electrode, which is kept in 1 m zinc sulfate solution, and copper electrode kept in 1 m copper sulfate solution. Each electrode is consisting of one half cell, and there is a salt bridge which connects between the two cells, and there is an electrical connection through a voltmeter used to measure the amount of electrical energy produced. This diagram represents the galvanic cell. One compartment contains zinc sulfate solution, zinc electrode. Another compartment contains copper electrode, copper sulfate solution. The connection is ensured between salt bridge and through a wire. Reactions occurring in a cell. In an anode, oxidation takes place in the zinc electrode, liberation of electron. In cathode, the reduction takes place in copper electrode by accepting the electrons which passes through the wire. Here the reaction, zinc donates 2 electron, gives zinc 2 plus, copper takes up the 2 electron with copper, and the overall reaction is 10. The salt bridge is a U-tube containing a saturated solution of potassium chloride and sodium nitrate in an agar-agar cell. It connects the two half cells. The function is to eliminate the liquid junction potential and to provide electrical continuity between the two half cells. The condition for electrochemical cell to access a standard cell is the cell should reproduce the EMF. The temperature coefficient should be very, very low. This is the cell representation of the galvanic cell, where in which left side zinc undergoes oxidation and is kept in zinc sulfate solution of 1 m is given. In reduction, copper in copper sulfate solution of 1 m, and it is given in between the two straight lines represents a salt bridge between the two half cells. So we can answer this. Which are the following is false regarding the galvanic cell? It converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Correct. The electrolytes takes in two beakers are different. Yes. The reaction takes place are non-spontaneous. No, the reaction here is a spontaneous one. A cell is represented by dipping copper rod in 1 m copper sulfate and an iron rod in 1 m iron sulfate. What are the cathode and anode? So in this cell representation, whichever present on the left side is acting as an anode. So left side iron is there, so iron is an anode and copper is a cathode. The galvanic cell, cathode is 0.8 volt and anode is minus 0.76 volt. So the total volts produced, E cell equal to E cathode minus E anode. So if you add together, we get 1.56 watts. Thank you.